I want you to know that you are the spoken thoughts of God, that when he spoke, you came into existence, and that before time even became a construct, God already thought about you. He wrote out your story before you even took your first breath. And as he wrote the story, God was anticipating for you to take your first breath. You see, woven in that thought that I have is that God has this unrelenting love for his creation. So in order to restore perfection, someone perfect had to be willing to sacrifice themselves. And Jesus knew this, so that's why he didn't get out of the way. Jesus didn't get out of the way.